Well, Religare, UPL, Maruti Suzuki, BLS International, Infosys, Wockhardt are buzzing in trade. Here's what the dealers are indicating for these companies. Firstly, when it comes to Religare, the company's board will meet today to discuss fundraise, and dealers are suggesting that there could be a fundraise via preferential issue to promoters. The Bhavan family could put in close to 1,000 crore rupees is the buzz on the street. Second stock on the list is UPL. Dealers indicate that foreign institutional investors are showing buying interest in this counter at lower levels. For Maruti Suzuki, dealers are indicating that the stock is down today on the back of the downgrade that had come in from UBS, but dealers also indicate that there are buy flows on institutional desk at lower levels, which means that both foreign and domestic institutional investors are showing buying interest in this counter at lower level. For BLS International, dealers indicate that high net worth individuals have been accumulating this counter in trade today on anticipation of some positive development that could come in going forward. For Infosys, largely all IT stocks are down today post the TCS numbers that had come in for the first quarter of FY26. But for Infosys, dealers indicate that strong buying interest has been seen at lower levels from multiple counters. When it comes to Wockhardt, there are buy flows on large HNI desk on anticipation of a good licensing deal post the Glenmark deal that has been signed. Now, as per dealers, even Wockhardt has a novel asset of phase 3 trials with best in class trial data. So keep an eye out for Wockhardt as well.